Uh, a curious case of a 6. What is so curious in the 6? If you see on the right hand side, you have this is a tortoise with its belly with some numbers. A tortoise with its belly with some numbers. What are those numbers? If you see, I'll tell you I'll prove it. If you add it up column wise or row wise or across, you will get 15. 15 is nothing but 1 plus 5 is 6. So let us see what does the 6 mean. And 6 in the clock is also a symmetry of a straight line. So what does a straight line lead to? Let us also see that. Now first let us see the addition of the column wise and row wise and across wise of the numbers on the tortoise. So if you see, there is a first row 492. 4 plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. So the first 15. Now the second row, it is 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15 again. The last row, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15 again. Now, if you see the row column wise, 4 plus 3, first column, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. Now, the second column, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, now the third column, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. So row wise, column wise is all 15. So if you see the across, first across thing is 4 5 6. So when you add up 4 5 6, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Then the second across, 5 2 plus 5 plus 8, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15 again. So it all ends up with 15. What is 15? 15 is nothing but 1 plus 5 is 6. When you see the symmetry in a clock with the 6 o'clock, it tells it that both the needles are in straight line. That is, it is separating the two halves of the clock equally. Now if you add up the clock numbers, what is on the left and the right side, what do you get? But before that, what is 6 plus 8? 12. 6 and 12 are the two lines joining together. Now 6 plus 12 is again 18. 18 according to the 24-hour clock is 6 o'clock. 18 hours is 6 o'clock. So it also mentions that 18 hours is 6 o'clock. Now if you take on the left hand side, if you take 10 plus 11 is 21, 21 plus 9 is 30, 30 plus 8 is 38, 38 plus 7 is 45. You get 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. And 23 plus 1 is 24. Now, what is 24? The total in a 24 hours a day, the 24-hour clock, it is 2 plus 4. 24 is nothing but in 24 hours we get 6 hours. That is 2 plus 4 is 6. 24 hours we get as 2 plus 4 is 6. So in this way it all ends up with 6. When it ends up with 6, the symmetry of 6 o'clock will form an exact straight line that leads it to some destination. What is this destination that it leads, that the straight line is indicating to? It is one hand it is 15, and on the other hand it is 6 o'clock. Now if you see 12 and 6, 12 and 6 is 18. 18 is nothing but in 24-hour clock it is 6 o'clock. Okay, now 6 o'clock is also, when you convert it to Roman numerals, it is V and 1. So V and 1 is 6 in Roman numerals. So when you take it V as 22 and 1, it becomes 23. So 23 is is 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock is one understanding, but if you see 11 o'clock is a reflection. When you take it to the bottom, its reflection is 5:30. The needles are at 5 and 6. When 11 o'clock, it is 11 and 12. It is 23 and it is 11 o'clock. And here bottom, it is, if you take a reflection of the same on the bottom, if it will be 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 is 11, and on the top 11 and 12 is, it's 11 o'clock. And if you take it as 11 and 12, if you add it up, 11 and 12, it becomes 23. 23 is nothing but 11 o'clock in 24-hour clock. So there is a reflection of God's message in this 15 and 6 and 18 and 24 and 11 o'clock and 5 and 6, 5 and 5 and 6. So this message you need to decrypt in your own way. How you want to decrypt this 6 o'clock, where the two needles point at the same direction, whether you want to balance your time, whether you want to balance your day with this time, whether you want, the most important point in a day is balancing your time. How to balance your time between good things and bad things, how to balance your time with quality and quality value, and quality the time that you can spend with your family and friends. How do you balance this time between your work and home? How do you balance your time with all your activities, your fun activities, sports activities, your fitness activities, with your rest time? How do you balance your rest time, your sleep time, with your active time? All things come into picture here, where the 6 o'clock is balancing the left and right equally. And I told you all the reasons why it is 6 o'clock, because 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 is, the 18 is 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 is nothing but the sun's value. S is 19, U is 21. 19 plus 21 is 40. 40 plus n is 14. 40 plus 14 is 54, that is 9. So 54 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So in this way, you can balance your time between 6 and 12, that is 18. In your, when there is sun, when there is sunset, or when there is sunrise, balance your time in such a way that your life will be happy and healthy. Thank you.